Today's podcast is brought to you by Quantrix Modeler Introductory Training, teaching the fundamental foundation that you need to become a Quantrix master. Go to quantrixauthority.com to learn more. Welcome back to another netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 188, DataPush Script. This is in response to a question sent in to me at YouTube by Mary Lillians. They have a question. Hello, Rich. Do you know how to use the DataPush in scripts? Would you mind to make a podcast about it? Because I have not found the way about how to use the option of .push data when using scripts. This is a comment made in episode 175 where I'm talking about DataPush to use an expression to export a descriptor. Well, come to find out, I guess I haven't done a video on this, even though I thought maybe I had. So I have here a very basic model. It's kind of the one I used in my last podcast, actually. And let's pretend that I want to just push a simple matrix out to a database. So what I would go ahead and do is I'd go to Data Push, create DataPush. I'm just going to step through this really quick. I'm just doing this to illustrate something. So I'm going to select my table name there. And just make sure I can get it right. And I'm just going to step through these. I'm going to select my configuration and click next and finish, and then it's going to ask me if I want to execute it. I'm going to go ahead and select yes, and essentially I've pushed my data out to a database. And now if you look at this, you can see up here in the corner that I indeed have a data push. That is what that pink arrow is all about right there, saying I've got a data push. So now how do I get that into a script? I simply go into scripting. I say script manager. Let me do that again. Script manager, it opens it up here on the side. I go ahead and click a new script, and I don't need to add that action, so I just need this first action, and we're just going to call it push sales. All right, and then what I want to do is I want to identify the matrix, and I'm going to say sales matrix, close pipe, and then I'm going to say push data. And in theory, that is all I need to do in order to then execute that script or that push. So if I assign it a shortcut key of Control-3 every time I hit Control-3, oops, I guess that doesn't work there because that's a different shortcut for another program. If I hit Control-1, see if that works. In theory, it's pushing the script. You can see that. I can do it again. It's pushing the script because I've assigned it a hotkey. I could then add this script onto a canvas and have it be a button that I then click. But it's really just that simple. Push data, that's the syntax for it, to then execute your data push that you've already implemented. Anyway, I hope that answers your question, Maria Lillians. If you have any questions about Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com and ask me your question. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master, and I invite you to check out what I have offered at quantrixauthority.com. And please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.